Consumer prices rose by the largest margin in over 2 years in May as Middle East tensions drove up oil prices, pushing year-on-year inflation to 3.1%.
중동 전쟁으로 유가가 상승하면서 5월 소비자 물가가 2년여 만에 가장 큰 폭으로 올라 전년 동월 대비 3.1% 상승한 모습을 보였습니다. We're looking at the 물가 상승률.
Yeah.
Tell us more.
Yeah, so perhaps this affects us more in terms of, how much we spend daily or monthly, what goes out of our pockets. So the consumer price, it marked the fastest rate of inflation at 3.1% in the month of May since March of 2024. Of course, it was because of higher global oil prices linked to the Middle East crisis that pushed up costs across the economy. Petroleum prices surged 24.2%, which was the largest increase since July of 2022 following the outbreak of the Russia-Ukraine war, and were the main driver of overall inflation. Service prices also climbed nearly 3% at 2.8%, with international airfares jumping 33.5%, which was the sharpest increase since related records began in 1995, of course, largely due to higher fuel surcharges. Meanwhile, core inflation, which excludes food and energy prices, rose 2.5% year on year, indicating broader underlying price pressures. And the data suggests that rising energy costs are increasingly feeding into transportation and service sector prices.
그래요. 그러니까 5월의 소비자 물가를 보게 되면은 같은 달 1년 전년 동월 대비 3.1%가 올랐습니다. 이 상승률이요. 2년 2개월 만에 최고치예요. 많이 느끼셨을 것 같은데 What drove the consumer prices up? 아까도 이제 drive semiconductors drove exports라고 했는데 무엇이 이것을 주도했느냐? 이번에는 이제 국제 유가 상승입니다. 그로 인해서 이제 결과적으로 이제 가장 물가가 많이 오른 분야 석유류예요. 뭐 휘발유, 경유, 등유 이런 거 다 되겠죠. 특히 경유가 많이 올랐다고요.
Yep.
그로 인해서 소비자 물가가 상승한 폭이 굉장히 컸습니다. Let's have a look at some expressions. The first one is by the largest margin.
So if something goes up or rises by the largest margin, it means that an amount or number or value has increased by a bigger gap or quantity than during any other time being compared.
이게 바로 가장 큰 폭으로 라는 뜻이에요. margin이라는 게 우리 A4 종이에서 비어있는 그 테두리 부분, 요런 폭을 영어로 margin이라고 하는데요. 자, 여기서는 가장 큰 폭으로 물가가 상승했다. It grew, it went up, it rose by the largest margin. 그 다음에 전년 동기 대비라는 뜻으로 year on year.
Year on year. So there's a hyphen in between year on and year, and you might have seen it written as capital Y, lowercase O, capital Y, and it's a financial term that's used to compare data from one period against the same period from the previous year.
We also say year over year. 그렇게 YOY로 썼을 때는 year over year라는 뜻으로 많이 쓰기도 하죠.
Yeah, and it doesn't have to be year. You could say, year on year. I've seen it used for other
month
cases, month on month,
Yep.
where you're comparing that same time period
Exactly.
with the same time period in another time frame.
그렇습니다. 자, 그럼 다시 한번 읽어볼게요. Consumer prices rose by the largest margin in over 2 years in May, as Middle East tensions drove up oil prices, pushing year-on-year inflation to 3.1%.